Sign test is one of the non-parametric tests that is used to test the assumption about a single population. Now here, the parameter of interest is the measures of location. Now students, we have so far discussed so many types of measures of location, but sign test will make use of the median. So sign test is perhaps one of the simplest and oldest method that were developed under the non-parametric tests. So students, median जब हम calculate करेंगे किसी variable का, then we will have to see that how many values are lying below the median and how many of the values are lying above the median. So जो values below the median होंगी उनको हम एक नेगेटिव साइन से मार्क करेंगे और जो वैल्यूज मीडियन से लार्जर या ग्रेटर होंगी उनको हम पॉजिटिव साइन से मार्क करेंगे. दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज अ साइन टेस्ट. सो साइन टेस्ट टेक कंसिडर दैट द मीडियन वैल्यू इज बीइंग टेकन एज 0.5, assuming that half of the values are below the median and the other half are lying above the median. So we are considering under our hypothesis कि जितनी हमारे पास plus signs हैं उतने ही negative signs हैं. So that is what we are going to test about a single population. So the test that is being taken as X here is defined by the number of times the less frequent sign occur in comparison to plus and minus sign. So students, plus sign अगर for example 10 है आपके पास in total for a data और negative sign 2 appear हो रहे हैं. So हम test statistic में 2 लेंगे because 2 is the lesser value as compared to the other value. Before applying the sign test, we need to consider some assumptions. And what are they? The first assumption is that the sample you use for analysis is a random sample. By random sample, what do we mean? That if we toss a coin, for instance, there are two possible outcomes. एक head है और एक tail है. दोनों जो हैं वो equally probable है. But when we are tossing the coin, we don't know whether the head would appear or the tail would appear. So this particular example is an example of a random sample. Second, जो students assumption हम लेंगे, that is the variable of interest is measured at least on the ordinal scale. अगर वो continuous होगा, so that would be wonderful. But even for an interval scale variable, we can apply the sign test. And lastly, the variable of interest is continuous and the sample and measurements, they are being denoted as x1, that means the first observation, x2, the second observation, and so on, xn, the total number of trials we are going to perform under an experiment. So this was a brief introduction of the sign test, that we apply sign test to test the assumption about the median for a particular population.